can the testimony of a woman be accepted with regards to sighting of the moon for Ramadan?
As far as accepting the testimony of women for sighting of a moon is concerned, the difference of opinion. According to the Hanafi school of thought, if it's a cloudy day, then the testimony of a woman can be accepted. The testimony of women can also be accepted by the Hanbalis. And one group of Shafis also accept the testimony. Whereas the other group of Shafis, they say that testimony of the woman cannot be accepted. And the Malikis are unanimous that testimony of a woman cannot be accepted. So there are two groups of scholars. One group says that it can be accepted, one they say it cannot be accepted. And Sheikh Utaymi, may Allah have mercy on him, he says that the testimony of women cannot be accepted. And he gives reasons for that. He says that because the Quran says that there should be two just witnesses. And the Arabic word used in the hadith of Tirmidhi, book of fasting, hadith number 2118, it says shahidain. So he says the woman is a shahida, not a shahid. So based on that argument, he says that woman testimony cannot be accepted. The other group of scholars, they said can be accepted. And as far as the Arabic word is concerned, that many a time when the male word is used, the even woman is included. So to just pick on the word and say that, so the other group of scholars say that it's not right to pick on the word and say because it's shahidain, a woman cannot be accepted. And furthermore, they say, the group which say that woman testimony can be accepted, they say that when we ask a woman that which is the direction of Qibla, and the woman shows the direction, but naturally we follow it. And we can ask the timings of Salah to a woman if you go to a foreign land, that what is the timing of Salah, and she tells the timing, it's accepted. So when we accept this, why can't we accept the sighting of the moon? That's what they argue. And further they argue that many of the hadith have been narrated only by one narrator, the chain of narration. And Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the wife of the Prophet, she alone has narrated no less than 2,220 hadith. So when her alone witness is accepted, even this hadith of the sighting of the moon is hadith of Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her. So when we can accept her narration alone, so why can't we accept the shahada of the moon? So this argument is very strong, that when we can accept that Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, when she narrated the hadith of sighting of the moon, and we accept the hadith, so why can't we accept when she says that she has seen the moon? So the group which says that woman's testimony can be accepted is much more acceptable, though there is difference of opinion in this aspect.